In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the transparency of a line in a line chart in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a line of monthly profits across 3 years with an average line in red. And even though the average line is thicker and in a bold color, it still looks very cluttered. One of the things that we can do to make the red line pop out even more is make all the other lines more transparent. We can do this by right-clicking on one of the lines and then go to Format Data Series at the bottom. From here, we can go to the fill bucket, and under the line option, we can scroll down and you will see an option for transparency. 0% is default, so there's no transparency. We can increase this or decrease this as much as we want to make this line more transparent. And as you can see, as the scale goes up, the line becomes less and less and less visible until you can't see it at all. Let's just say I type 50, for example. Now you can see the line less, or I type 20%. Now the line is just a little bit less visible. I'm going to use 30%, for example. You really have to mess with this to fit your needs, but as you can see, I changed the 2025 line to 30%. Then I go to 2024, outline, 2024, right click, format data series, bucket, and also 30% as well. As you can see, just doing that, it helps make the red line pop a little bit more, which can help you drive your pointer across that much more effectively. Hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.